Have you ever wondered where your favorite tea comes from? The answer is Camellia Sinensis. This fascinating plant produces all types of tea. Let's explore why you should consider growing it yourself. Camellia Sinensis is the source of green, black, oolong, and white teas. It's a versatile plant that thrives in many environments. Whether you want fresh tea or a unique garden addition, this plant is for you. First, let's look at the growing conditions. Camellia Sinensis enjoys well-drained, acidic soil. Choose a site with partial shade. This crucial step ensures healthy growth. Next, consider the watering needs. Regular moisture is vital, but avoid waterlogging. Consistent watering encourages robust leaf production. Once established, pruning helps maintain shape and promotes new growth. Regular clipping encourages healthier leaves. This step is key for high-quality tea production. Now, let's discuss harvesting. Pluck the young, tender leaves for the best flavor. Harvest throughout the growing season. Timing influences the taste and aroma of your tea. Ready for an example? Imagine sipping fresh, homegrown tea. Planting Camellia Sinensis creates this experience. Starting your own tea garden connects you to nature. In summary, growing Camellia Sinensis provides fresh tea and a rewarding hobby. It's a unique plant that enhances any garden. So why wait? Start your tea growing journey today. Plant Camellia Sinensis in your garden now. Experience the joy of homegrown tea.